Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling auto-download for documents on WhatsApp when connected to Wi-Fi. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your important documents are automatically downloaded while on a Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right of the page. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Tap on Storage and Data. Step 5. Look for the Media Auto-Download option. Step 6. Tap on when connected on Wi-Fi. Step 7. Now, let's enable auto-download for documents. Simply mark the option for documents. Step 8. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your documents are automatically downloaded when connected to Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless document auto-downloads on WhatsApp when connected to Wi-Fi.